Improvement in food resources we are doing. Which part of the chapter are we? Variety. Improvement in variety.
Hybridization. Genetic modification.
Improvement in variety, I think we have already discussed about genetic modification and hybridization. Let us continue with our chapter. Genetic modification and hybridization, these are the two main methods already we discussed about how improvements in the variety can be brought about. How the improvements in variety can be brought about. Look at that page. We talk about so now improvement in variety, hybridization and genetic modification, how are the two methods different? If it is hybridization, as a result of hybridization, what is happening? The plant tissues of two different plants are put together and the cells are allowed to fuse and a new plant develops. That is what is a hybrid. The stem can be used, the root can be used, the buds can be used, and as a result, what is happening? The tissues or say the cells of two different plants, when they fuse, they result in the formation of single cells with improved genetic material. And now the new cells which are formed, and the new plant which is formed, ultimately they result in characteristics which are developed more better. So that is why we say hybrid. Whenever we talk about plants as well as animals, a hybrid is always considered to be more resistant, with more better characteristics as in comparison to a single varietal form, a single parental form. How was genetic modification different? What did we learn in genetic modification? In genetic modification, are we talking about the fusion of cells? No, we are not talking about fusion of cells. In genetic modification, we are talking about changing the DNA by selecting the cells of an embryo We select the cells of an embryo of any particular plant where we want to make the change. We want to make the change in a wheat plant, in a rice plant, in a mango plant, in a guava plant, whichever plant it is. So what are we supposed to choose? We are supposed to choose the young embryonic shoot of that plant. Embryonic shoot meaning which is not yet a seed. Seed has not been formed. It is still just after the flower stage. A seed formation has just started, and the seed is now in the process of division. So now, when I talk about that, what is an embryo? Just after fertilization. Just after fertilization, the cell that we get to see, which is maybe just 1 or 2 cycles of division has happened, not too much. That is ideal very much to bring about the process of. That is ideal very much to bring about the process of genetic modification. So, where is genetic modification done? Basically, in a zygote, where the process of cell division just started. So, isolate the DNA, change the DNA, whichever characters we want to change, we can do that. And after that, these group of cells, or that is a single cell, I told you, a single or at the most 2 cells, 4 cells. So, the DNA is changed now. Now, these cells with changed DNA are allowed to multiply again, divide again by the process of cell division. And now that they grow, what will happen now that they grow? They result in the formation of an improved variety. Because the DNA we have already changed. The quality characteristic we have already changed. Is this concept of genetic hybridization, genetic modification applicable in human or in case of animals? No, this is not done. Otherwise, in case of human, we all would have been able to change all the different type of quality characteristics that we have. So this concept of genetic modification is not seen in the animal world. It's not practiced in the animal world. It is not allowed. But the plant world, yes, a lot of genetic modification has happened. Factors for which variety improvement has happened, we talked about this in the last class. The next that we are going to talk about now will be production improvement. So we have done with improvement in variety. Now we talk about improvement in production. We now talk about improvement in production. How about production and its improvement? Improvement in production. So now, as we talk about improvement in production, we come across that to improve the production, 2 or 3 things have to be understood. That is, to improve the production, what should be taken care? To improve the production, the methods have to be improved. To improve the production, it should be seen that the plants are not suffering from diseases, and to improve the production, the type of a plant that we are trying to grow should get adequate amount of nutrients. So these are the 3 areas which are very important. The production has to be improved. So what is to be done? Production to improve, check the methods that the farmer is practicing. Say suppose I am a farmer. I want to improve the production. I am planning to grow rice or paddy or etc. Without any basic method, knowledge of the method, can I just start farming in a plot of land? No, I have to know the correct methods. I have to have a basic knowledge about the methods. So now that we talk about the basic knowledge about the method should be there, and as a result, which type of method will give me the maximum yield, not destroy the crop? So that is what first of all I should be aware. And then disease control. I'm only growing the plants, but I'm not taking care that the plants, when they are almost on the verge of maturity, fruits are supposed to come now, fruits are supposed to develop now. I get to see that so many plants every time they are dying out because of some fungal infection. So this I have to take care right from the beginning that my plants do not suffer from any fungal infection till the end. So this is what we understand that the disease control steps, yes, that has to be taken care. What about the nutrients? What about the nutrients? Are we supposed to take care that the plant that I want to grow should get adequate amount of nutrients in the